Hello children, welcome to our SST class. Children, today we will discuss about chapter 9, that is seasons. Children, we know in the whole year different seasons are there. Okay, the weather changes all the time, it is never the same. On some days it is hot and sunny, on some days it is cold, on some days it is rains, and on some days it is windy. Then changes in weather are caused by the sun, cloud, wind and rain. Okay. When the weather remains the same for a few months, it is called a season. There are three main seasons in India. They are summer, winter and monsoon. So first we discuss about summer. April, May and June are the hot summer months. The weather is warm and dry. The days in summer are long and the nights are short. We wear light cotton clothes. We use fans, coolers and air conditioners to keep ourselves cool. Millie and Avi love the summer seasons. Do you know why? It is because they have holidays. In summer, they enjoy cool drinks like juice, shakes and laces. They also have ice cream. They eat lots of mangoes and melons. They also go for swimming. But the hot summer days can make us ill. So we must take care of ourselves in the hot summer months. We must stay indoors in the afternoon because it is very hot then. We must drink plenty of water. It keeps the body cool. During summer, we sweat a lot. Sweating can cause skin rashes. So, we must bath twice a day. Then second one is winter season. November, December and January are the winter months. In winter, the weather is very cold. The nights are long and the days are short in winter. We wear warm woolen clothes in winter. We use heaters to keep ourselves warm. Some people sit by the fire to keep themselves warm. Asa loves the winter season because the weather is cold and pleasant. She also likes to have hot drinks like coffee. The market is full of fresh fruits and vegetables. Here's how we should take care of ourselves in the cold winter months. We must wear the sweaters, mufflers and socks to keep ourselves warm. We must not eat anything too cold because we can have a sore throat. Okay. Then monsoon means rainy season. July and August are the monsoon months. Now children, which season is going on? Now monsoon season is going on. It rains during monsoon. Rivers and lakes fill up in this season. We wear raincoats or carry umbrellas. when we go out in the rain. Ram likes the monsoon season because he can play in the rain. He also loves to float paper boats on the puddles. We must take care of ourselves during monsoon. We must not get wet in the rain. We must dry ourselves when we get wet or we can catch a cold. We must keep away flies and mosquitoes as they spread diseases. Some places have two more seasons. For example, spring and autumn. So main seasons are summer, winter and monsoon. Now we discuss about spring and autumn. February and March are the spring months. The weather is pleasant in this season. Trees grow new leaves and flowers bloom everywhere. Nature looks very beautiful in the spring season. Children, you know, spring season is known as the queen of the seasons. Okay. Then autumn. The autumn months are September and October. The weather is pleasant during this season. Trees shed their leaves at this time of the year. Okay. So children, this is about your chapter 9, means seasons. Now you get some idea about seasons. That is summer, winter, monsoon, spring and autumn. You remember their months, okay, and how you protect your body also you learn, okay. And children, your homework is you should learn these words 10 times at your home, okay. Learn 10 times. Okay. Thank you.